Modeling Smart Furniture Publication Dynamics, a design-driven management approach using a wide multimodal ensemble. Good night, distinguished chair, fellow presenter, and participant. My name is Agung Purnomo from Bina Nusantara University, Indonesia, representing the Entrepreneurship Department. This research is co-authored by Bambang Kartono Kurniawan and Andi Pramono from the Interior Design Department, Ferus Iqbal Maulana from Computer Science Department at Bina Nusantara University, Indonesia, and Muhammad Ezran bin Zainal Abdullah from University Malaysia, Kelantan, Malaysia. Today, I am pleased to present our study at the International Conference on Digital Technology-Driven Engineering 2025 under the Third International Conference on Optimization-Driven Architectural Design, or OPTARD 2025. Smart furniture has emerged as a distinct research domain located at the intersection of interior design, digital technology, and intelligent systems. Recent studies emphasize the integration of embedded sensor, responsive material, and adaptive interaction mechanism. The annual growth of smart furniture publication indicates a structural transformation in research intensity over recent decades. This trend reflects a growing academic interest aligned with technological maturity and design innovation. The urgency of this research is driven by global lifestyle transformation, increasing urban density, and aging population, which collectively demand adaptive, responsive, and human-centered interior solutions. Existing studies adopt diverse approaches, including experimental prototyping, user-centered design, IoT-based system development, and machine learning technique for behavior prediction and adaptive functionality. However, a clear research gap remains. Longitudinal modeling of publication dynamic is still limited, and comparative evaluation of forecasting model is rarely conducted in smart furniture research. Therefore, this study aims to model annual global publication on smart furniture using an integrated bibliometric and ensemble-based modeling approach, offering predictive perspective on knowledge development in this domain. This study adopt a quantitative research design, integrating bibliometric analysis and predictive modeling to examine global smart furniture research dynamics. Data were collected exclusively from the Scope database, consisting of 356 peer-reviewed documents published between 1996 and 2024. The search strategy combined keywords such as smart furniture, intelligent furniture, connected furniture, IoT furniture, and interactive furniture, ensuring comprehensive coverage while limiting research to English language publication. This slide illustrates the research workflow of our study. The process begins with bibliometric analysis to map annual production. Next, we develop multiple forecasting models, including polynomial regression, exponential growth, Poisson regression, SVR with RBF kernel, and hot linear trend. Model performance was then evaluated using standard accuracy metrics. Finally, the best performing model were integrated into a weights averaging ensemble to enhance robustness and predictive stability. Document selection followed explicit inclusion and exclusion criteria to maintain analytical consistency across topic relevance, publication year, and language. The dataset underwent manual screening and validation, including duplicate removal and exclusion of irrelevant records. Bibliometric analysis focus on main information in annual scientific production using Microsoft Excel and R BiblioShiny. Model development and validation were conducted using Python, applying R-square, adjust R-square, RMSE, MEA, and MAPI as evaluation metrics. We first applied a polynomial regression model to capture nonlinear trend in annual publication growth. The model demonstrated a relatively high R-square value, indicating its ability to explain long-term variation. However, its MAPI remained relatively high, suggesting sensitivity to local fluctuation. This result indicates that while polynomial regression captures global trend, it may be less reliable for precise forecasting. The exponential growth model exhibits strong predictive performance with a high R-square and low error values. This model effectively represents the accelerating nature of smart furniture publication, particularly in recent years. Its performance suggests that publication growth in the TIS file follow an exponential trajectory consistent with emerging technology-driven research domain. The Poisson regression model was applied to reflect the count-based nature of publication data. This model achieved high accuracy and stable error metrics, making it particularly suitable for modeling annual publication count. The result confirmed the statistical appropriateness of Poisson regression for bibliometric forecasting. The support vector regression model with RBF kernel was used to capture nonlinear local pattern. While SVR provides flexibility, its performance show high error value compared to parametric model. This indicates that SVR may capture local variation but lack global stability when used independent for long-term forecasting. The hot linear trend model demonstrates moderate predictive performance. It effectively captures linear trend but underperform compared to exponential and Poisson models. This suggests that linear trend assumption may be insufficient for modeling the dynamic growth of smart furniture publication. To overcome the limitation of individual model, we construct a wide averaging ensemble. The assembled growth model and Poisson regression demonstrate the highest accuracy, while SVR contribute nonlinear correction capability. Combining this model balance parametric structure, distributional correctness, and nonlinear flexibility, resulting in more robust forecasting framework. The assemble weight were determined using inverse RMSE, a commonly accepted academic weight scheme. Its model contribute was normalized to ensure proportional influence based on predictive accuracy. This approach objectively assign higher weight to model with lower prediction error. This slide presents the final weight assemble formula. The assemble assign balance weight to exponential and Poisson model while assigning a slightly lower weight to SVR due to its higher RMSE. As a result, the assemble merges parametric and non-parametric strength, improving generalization and reducing sensitivity to local variability. The assembled model successfully retained the highest accuracy of the exponential and Poisson models. It mitigates the weakness of SVR and produces a more stable MAPI. lower than SVR and hot linear trend and comparable to exponential model. This confirms the ensemble superiority over single model approach. The study modeled and forecast annual scientific publication dynamic in smart furniture research using multiple forecasting approach. By integrating the best performing model into weight averaging ensemble, we achieve higher accuracy and more stable forecasting error. The result demonstrates the value of ensemble-based modeling for bibliometric analysis. The study is limited by the use of annual publication count, which restrict temporal granularity and prevent seasonal analysis. Future research might incorporate topic modeling, citation-based impact analysis, and causal driver of publication growth. The finding provide methodological, practical, and policy-relevant implication supporting strategic research planning and evidence-based decision making. Thank you very much for your attention. I look forward to your question and discussion.